Good afternoon. I am Vernon Darby. The following is Bulletin 51, issued by the Meteorological Service of Jamaica, October 28, 2025, at 1100 hours Eastern Standard Time. A hurricane warning remains in effect for Jamaica as catastrophic Category 5 Hurricane Melissa prepares to make landfall on the island. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. At 10 a.m., the center of Hurricane Melissa was located near latitude 17.9 degrees north, longitude 77.9 degrees west. This is just off Jamaica's southwestern coast. Hurricane Melissa is moving toward the north-northeast near 15 kilometers per hour and a turn toward the northeast with an increase in forward speed is expected later today, followed by a faster northeastern motion on Wednesday and Thursday. Melissa is expected to make landfall on southwestern Jamaica during the next couple of hours before moving towards southeastern Cuba. Maximum sustained winds are now near 295 kilometers per hour, with higher gusts, making Melissa a major Category 5 hurricane on the Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale. Little change in strength is expected before Melissa makes landfall on Jamaica as an extremely dangerous hurricane. Hurricane force winds extend outward up to 45 kilometers from the center, and tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 350 kilometers. Doppler radar and satellite images show that bands of heavy rainfall associated with Hurricane Melissa have spread across Jamaica. Data obtained from the weather station network indicate amounts exceeding 250 milliliters in parts of southern parishes. Hurricane Melissa is expected to produce rainfall amounts reaching 350 to 750 millimeters over parts of Jamaica in the next couple of days, especially over central parishes with higher amounts over hilly terrain. Catastrophic flash floods and landslides are likely. Extremely dangerous hurricane force wind conditions are beginning to spread over southwestern sections of Jamaica as the eye wall of Melissa moves across that area. This will track northeastward across the island from St. Elizabeth to Trelawney. Life-threatening storm surge, accompanied by large and destructive waves, is likely along the south coast of Jamaica between St. Elizabeth and St. Catherine on Tuesday, peaking at 9 to 13 feet above ground level near and to the east of where the center of Melissa makes landfall. On the northwestern coast, there is also the possibility of 1 to 3 foot storm surge above ground level later today. Small craft operators, including fishers on the Keys and Banks, are reminded to remain in harbor until all warning messages have been lifted and wind and sea conditions have returned to normal. The Meteorological Service continues to closely monitor the progress of Hurricane Melissa, and all interests are encouraged to pay special attention to further releases. The next bulletin on the system will be issued at 2 p.m. today. Please note that hurricane warning means that the following dangerous effects of a hurricane are expected to affect Jamaica within 36 hours or less. dangerously high water or a combination of dangerously high water and exceptionally high waves, even though winds expected may be less than the hurricane force. Average winds 119 kilometers per hour or higher. That was Bulletin 51 issued by the Meteorological Service. I am Vernon Darby. Good afternoon.